Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Binance demo account on your PC. This fantastic tool allows you to explore the world of cryptocurrency trading without any financial risk. It's perfect for beginners to gain practical experience and for experienced traders to test new strategies. You'll get to understand the platform's interface and experiment with various virtual assets, all in a simulated real market environment. To begin, simply visit the Binance website and log in to your existing account. Once logged in, look for the Futures or Derivatives section. Within this area, you will find the Mock Trading or Testnet option. Clicking this will seamlessly transition you into the simulated trading environment, ready for practice. It's a straightforward process to get started. The demo account offers a rich set of features. You can explore over 200 virtual cryptocurrencies, including popular ones like Bitcoin and Ethereum. The platform provides virtual funds, often 15,000 USD, allowing you to place simulated buy and sell orders. You can also analyze real-time market data, practice various order types such as limit and market orders, and even experiment with up to 125 times leverage. Using the demo account offers numerous benefits. It helps you develop confidence in your trading decisions and strategies, allowing you to experiment freely. You can practice crucial risk management techniques, like setting stop-loss and take-profit orders, all without any financial repercussions. This invaluable experience prepares you to transition to live trading with a solid understanding of the platform and market dynamics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.